Hey guys, as I'm recording this video, Tesla is just trading up 8% on a day, and this is because of an upgrade by a Wall Street analyst based on the fact that Tesla is rocking it in China. So in this video, let's quickly look at what Tesla is doing in China, Chinese EV market in general, and also the outlooks of Tesla as well as NIO stock here. So for me, this is pretty exciting because in my last videos, I have just been outlining how both NIO and Tesla had really good Q2 earnings, but then their stock price was down in Tesla's case around about 20% afterwards. But now it's back into rally mode. And this is really exciting because also I made a decision when it was beaten down again to actually increase my Tesla position by 10%. And I wasn't sure if this was going to age well. However, my feeling was that Tesla is now in a really good position with the Q2 earnings and all the positive news that is upcoming. So let's just quickly look at Q2 numbers in which Tesla sold around 30,000 units in China. So that has been a really good quarter for Tesla in China. And basically it also saved Tesla during the period of lockdown of Fremont factory. And Tesla in China was just successful as Shanghai is ramping production to about 150,000 units a year run rate, and the factory got much faster back to work, as well as the increasing demand that we see from the Chinese consumers for EVs. So in general, the pure electric vehicles market in China is rebounding at a double-digit growth rate, overtaking also the plug-in hybrid vehicle segment. But in particular for Tesla, if we look here at those leaked or unofficial July data, in which they're selling already 11,623 cars, and comparing that to April and the first month of the Q2, that is a 220% increase, and this already in the first month of the quarter. So usually in the second month and in the third month it's only ramping from there. So we could actually expect that Tesla in Q3 could make up to 35,000 or even exceeding those numbers in car sales, and then on the entire year basis easily exceeding 100,000 cars in China being sold. And that's actually much more than my initial estimations that I've been doing here. So Tesla, I believed, was going to sell around 100,000 cars in China in 2020 and then overtaking all of the competitors such as BMW, Audi and Mercedes in China in their segment by 2021. It seems like already in this year China could actually be well in reach to their competitors here. So this is possibly why the Wall Street analysts are waking up to this finally, and also increasing their price target. In this case, it was $1,900 a share. So plenty of room to grow still for the Tesla shares, but not including yet all of the news coming up with Battery Day, with S&P 500 inclusion. We had recently just a stock split. Then we've got the enormous growth of Gigafactory Berlin coming up, which I think is actually going to be faster than Shanghai in the ramp up, which is incredible to see. And also, well, Shanghai is still getting extended with Model Y. And then we still have topics like full self-driving, manufacturing efficiencies ramping up, as well as the Tesla Semi coming up and stuff like that. So lots of drivers in the second half of the year here. And similarly, we also see NIO stock price rallying today and going back into growth mode because actually, as I mentioned before, Q2 earnings were also pretty good. And on top of that, we heard in the earnings that there is a lot of demand. They're trying to increase their capacity in order to meet this demand and so on. So these two companies are actually the winners right now in China. China has lots of demand for those cars. Whenever I'm in China, I see plenty of Teslas on the street. It's really amazing to see that. And now it's really about ramping up and growing fast. So some of this growth was actually possibly already included in the share price so far. However, there is still surprises on the upside here. So I believe it wasn't the dumbest decision actually to increase my Tesla position here. And so far it's looking good. And I'm glad that it worked out that way. So hope you guys enjoyed this information. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to stay updated on what's happening in the Chinese market, then subscribe to the channel. Please leave a like. This is going a long way, and consider becoming a Patreon. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.